Hi guys, and welcome back to the Auto Trader Garage. Now, we've already done a small video on the basic essential tools that you would need to get started doing a little bit of home DIY on your car. Now, if you're wanting to get a little bit more serious, we put together a new series of the garage essentials that you'd want to have if you're going to get down and dirty and serious working on your own car. Right, so let's get started. Over here, we'll start with a 2-ton hydraulic floor jack. Not really that expensive. You can pick these up for about 400 Rand at your local parts store or big box store. And what that's going to do is allow you to lift and lower your car a lot easier and a lot safer than the screw type jack that comes with your car's emergency kit. Hand in hand with that goes a set of trestles or axle stands. If you're going to be working underneath your car, you have to have a set of these. It's just going to keep you that much safer and make sure that the car can't fall over on you. One of the items that you really want to put in your toolbox is a multimeter. Now, what the multimeter is going to do is allow you to check electrical circuits. It's going to allow you to check batteries, check fuses. A really good diagnostic tool, and they're not that expensive. This one was about 450 Rand. And then one of the last things that I would recommend keeping in your car and in your toolbox is a tire gauge. And what these do is they take a little bit of air pressure out of the tire and give you a very accurate reading of what your tire pressure is. Now, yes, I hear some of you say that you can use the ones at the garage, but I wouldn't rely on those too much. They've been kicked around and dropped a few times, so they might be out of calibration. So getting a good tire gauge, which will give you an accurate reading of your tire pressures, is a must. Well, there you have it, folks. Just a few of those garage essentials that we recommend you having if you're going to get serious about your car DIY.
Search Auto Trader.